Hey guys, let's talk about case sensitivity in SQL. Some people say that SQL is not case sensitive. Well, that's kind of true. In America, in English, with the collation that we have when we install it, the default setting is case insensitive. You can make it case sensitive, but man, you'll be hating life if you're used to Windows. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but there are times where you want to make it case sensitive. Like let's say that there's a password in a database. And then there's the password that somebody just used to log on. You want them to be the same. You want the case to match. Otherwise, somebody has a better chance of hacking in. Well, let's say that this is somebody's actual password. Jasper the cat with the year. By the way, years, some systems won't even let you do a recent year anymore. And they have this cute little month with like a little special character. Good for them. But over here, it looks like, well, they typed it in, but they must have had cap locks on. Come on, Mom. Cap locks? It's probably my mom. So anyway, when this says if the web password equals a database password, then it worked. Otherwise, try again. But here's the thing. We don't want it to be equal. But here's how SQL works. It worked. Well, it worked, but that's actually bad. We want it to fail because they're not the same. So what do? I'm going to flip over to this other code window. Now, when I do, watch what's different. I'll flip back and forth a few times. What the heck? That never happens to Batman. Okay, so here we go. See this collate stuff? What does that mean? Well, that's what you set up when out of the box. There's a setting. I hate when that happens. This setting here is different than what's out of the box. See that CS? That means case sensitive. If it said CI, it would be case insensitive or criminal informant. But basically, if I put this collate SQL blah, 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 and it'll be in the notes below, after this, then it forces it to look at the case. That's all that this is doing. But you don't have to write a function. So watch this. Da, 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 da. Sorry, try again, hacker, Mom. So anyway, and then it's like they'll have to like figure out that their cap locks are on. But that's how you do it. You don't have to write a big function where you loop through and check every ASCII value of every character. Come on, that's work. You'll be there like for 10 minutes writing that. When instead, you could just do this. Isn't that fantastic? Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please consider subscribing. If you think I'm really hilarious, pay my mortgage. Okay, guys, gotta run. Go practice this, go on interviews, make some money, okay? Never been better opportunities. There's so many jobs out there. Gotta run.